Hey guys, so what you're looking at here today is this 52-inch JCPenney made by Alaska ceiling fan, and I got this from the buy sell and trade group for $25 yesterday. It's 3-speed reversible, and I think the finish, it's got the brass and the blade finish, and the housing is like cranberry, because I know that on the catalog it's got the hunter green and cranberry. So I'm very happy with that. Very happy I got this, and it also has a cast aluminum motor, Alaska. That's how I found out about this. Also because of the blade brackets too. So we'll go ahead and give you the looks. I also added a crystal pole chain. There's a sideband of this motor housing, canopy, and down rod's not original, and I have the original down rod. It's right here, and there's the original mounting bracket, but I'm also using a different mounting bracket. So, I mean, the reason why I'm not using the original down rod, because it's just going to be too low. I can imagine how low it's going to hang, and this is good enough. I love it. Let's go ahead and start the demo, starting with the light, and this is a 3-way light. So there's that, and then there's that, and I'll show you the blade finish. Not sure what type of blade this is, and I'm starting to think gloss, but correct me if I'm wrong. There's the top part of the blade. I need to clean the blades too. So yeah, there's your 3-way light. Very cool. And let's go ahead and start it on low. By the way, it does not go from low, medium, and high. This only goes from high, medium, and low. Just so you know. I mean, my other Alaska does go from low, medium, and high, but not this one. This is just like your regular speed. Low's pretty fast. At least I think. Okay. Now we'll turn it to medium. Oops, sorry. Wobbles a little bit, but I think it's just a light kit. Finally picking up some momentum of air. Actually decent air too. But it's moving fast. Okay. Now we'll go to full blast. This fan cranks out a good amount of air too. I'm very impressed. Show you the airflow. Maybe I can go around. Blades are a little unbalanced, but I tried to balance one of the blade brackets. Actually, it wobbles a little bit, but I think it's just like it's actually wobbling. So it's really not wobbling that bad. And let's go ahead and turn that with the light on. Very gorgeous fan. Just turn it off, or light off. And let's go ahead and turn it off. I don't normally do it on reverse, but actually, let's see what we can do with reverse. Alright. I'm not going to be used to this, but we'll see what happens. Oops. Sorry about that click. So there's your low. There's medium. And here's high. I'm not sure if I want to leave it on that very well, but so there's your high speed. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. And watch this spin down time. Yeah, I remember seeing one of these on the JCPenney Ceiling Fan catalog book. Well, in the catalog book of the ceiling fans. And they showed one in Hunter Green and then the Cranberry. And this is the first time I've seen one of these in person, too. But I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I got it, because something told me to get it, so I did. there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoy.